Hey, welcome to E-Day with us here at UK. My name is Ben down at the Paducah campus, and we're glad you joined us. Today, our students are going to introduce their experiment before we jump in. So thank you for joining us from the comfort of your home, and we hope you enjoy this wonderful day of E-Day.
My name is Madison Giltner, and I'm the president of the Society of Women Engineers, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a lava lamp. To do this project, you'll need vegetable oil, water, food coloring, an antacid tablet, and a glass container, or you can use a plastic clear bottle. If you use a plastic clear bottle, you can save it and use it again later. But first, you'll add water to your container. You'd want to do this as a ratio of 1 to 3 parts, 1 part water to 3 parts vegetable oil. And then at this step, you'll go ahead and add the food coloring, since it'll mix easier. And you can use any food coloring of your choice. The brighter colors, the better. I would avoid yellow, though, because it mixes with the oil and you can't really see it very well. So I'll mix that in. And then you'll add your 3 parts vegetable oil. I would tilt the glass or bottle on its side because it helps prevent dispersion of water in the oil. The oil will float on top of the water because it's less dense. And then you're ready to add your antacid tablet. You take 1 tablet and break it into 4s, and then drop it into the container. If you're doing this in a plastic bottle, don't put the cap on it because the pressure will build up and cause it to bust. And then you'll watch the bubbles rise and you can see the lava lamp effect. The water will not mix with the oil. The oil is hydrophobic and they have different bonding properties. So that gives the lava lamp effect when the bubbles rise and trap the water into the oil. Once the tablets float to the top, the experiment is pretty much done, and you can add another tablet if you want once the water settles back down to the bottom, or you can finish your experiment. The best way to dispose of this experiment is to dump the contents down the drain with hot water and a dishwashing liquid to properly dispose.